Hi everyone, today we're going to have a look at Bus's Part A Task 3 suggested solution. There are many ways to tackle this problem. I'm going to suggest to you a very interesting way. Before we actually look at the task, let's just look at a concept here in my IDE. I'm using idle. Here we have an array called times. It has 20 values in it. As you know, the indexes in Python start at 0. So at index 0 we have a value 1, and it goes all the way to index 19 where we have a value of 6. What we're going to do is ask the user to enter a choice. I'm just going to do it like this. So when choice is 3, 3 represents Thursday, because 0 represents Monday, 1 represents Tuesday, 2 represents Wednesday, 3 represents Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 8 also represents Thursday. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 13 also represents Thursday. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this also represents Thursday. So there are 4 values in the array which represent Thursday. 3, 8, 13, and 18. You can see that all of those numbers are separated by 5. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to loop through the times array. This is just an example. We're not looking at this problem yet. We'll get there in a moment. Instead of using range, I'm just going to type out the list of valid indexes to solve this problem, just so we can really see what's going on. There we go. So now that we've done that, let's get rid of this distracting index thing that I had. Okay. Now, remember I is going to change in value as we go through this for loop, this count controlled loop. I starts with a value of 0, goes to 19. If I modulus 5 is the same as choice, I'm just going to print the value in the times array. Now, what does this mean? Remember, at the moment, choice is the same as 3, and 3 represents Thursday. This is Thursday. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Thursday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Thursday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Thursday. Okay? So, let's start with I at a value of 0. 0 modulus 5, well that's 0, right? Does 0 equal 3? Are they the same? No, nothing happens. 1 modulus 5 is 1, nothing happens. 2 modulus 5 is 2, nothing happens. 3 modulus 5 is 3. 3 modulus 5 is the same as 3. Yes, we found a Thursday. 4 modulus 5 is 4. 5 modulus 5 is 0. 6 modulus 5 is 1. 7 modulus 5 is 2. 8 modulus 5 is 3. We just found another Thursday at index 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This value here represents Thursday. So here we've got a Thursday, and here we've got a Thursday. And we just continue to the end of the array looking for Thursdays. If I change choice to be 1, well, 1 represents Tuesdays. Okay? So 0 modulus 5 is 0. Is it the same as 1? No. 1 modulus 5 is 1. Is that the same as the choice? Yes, we just found a Tuesday. 2 modulus 5? No. 3 modulus 5? No. 4 modulus 5? No. 5 modulus 5? No. 6 modulus 5? 6 modulus 5 is 1. We just found another Tuesday. Okay, so 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also Tuesday. So this logic can help us determine which day we found in the array. So now I'm just going to copy the solution to task 2. This is the solution to task 2. Let's paste it into idle. This is task 2. Let's now start task 3. Now remember, let's just decompose this problem into small steps. I'm going to display a menu. Now this was recommended in the task. Hint, create a menu and get a number from the user. Okay? So we're going to get a number representing a day, and then we're going to find the average time that the bus was late on that day. Okay? So display the menu, get a choice, validate the choice, because we have to make sure we get a valid number, search the array for the choice. That's going to be in a loop. Add the value in the array to a total. That's going to be in the loop as well. Okay. And then calculate the average. And finally, display the average. So let's get started with coding these steps. First of all, let's display a menu. So I'm just going to say 1 represents Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, I should do it small case. Okay, and then let's get a choice. And we're going to get it as a number, so we can do a simple validation check. Enter your choice, 1 to 5. So we're going to get the choice from the user, then we're going to validate the choice. So while the choice is less than 1, that's not valid, or the choice is greater than 5, because that's not valid either, we're just going to say, hey, invalid, try again. And then just go and get the next choice. Okay, so that's our validation. Okay, what was next? Search the array for the choice in a loop. So for I in range 20, now we're going to do that logic. If I modulus 5 is the same as choice, there's a problem here, isn't there? My menu starts at 1 to 5. But actually, in Python, the index starts at 0. Now, I don't really want to put 0 into the menu because that's not standard. That would look a bit weird. Mostly menus start at 1. So after we get the choice and we validate the choice, let's just take 1 away from it, so that we get a valid index in the array. Okay, it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, because that represents Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, now let's go back to the logic. If you don't understand this logic, you want to go and do some research on the modulus operator. Okay, we're going to add the value to a total. So that's what we're doing here. What did I call my array? times. My array is called times. Okay. Now, of course, I need to declare and initialize total before I go into the for loop. Just set it to 0. Then in the for loop, we can update it. And then we can calculate the average outside the loop. And then we can display the result. I'm just going to use my lovely friend, f. I just call it friend because it's useful. The average is average. Okay. Now let's run this and see if it works. Wow, okay. No syntax errors. Doesn't mean there's not a problem, but that's a good start. Let's just test our validation. So 7 hopefully is invalid. Yes. 0. Hopefully invalid. Brilliant. Let's look for Mondays. So that's going to be -1, plus 3 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 4 is 7. 7 divided by 4 is about 1.7, something like that. So let's do Mondays. And in the menu, that is a 1. 1.75! It works! So have a think about the solution to task 3, especially how we use the modulus operator. If you're not sure how that works, go and talk to someone or do some research, because that is a powerful concept in computer science.